How to see tweets X without an account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google, then search publish.twitter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Twitter Publish, which is the first option. In here, you can simply paste the URL of the Twitter you want to view without making an account. After you do that, you will find options of video embedded or photo embedded. You can select the one you prefer and then you're good to go. This is how to see tweet without an account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.